Good evening, parents and guardians, and welcome to our 2020 Digital Curriculum Night. My name is Sarah Torbert, and my co-teacher, Mrs. Kristen Irvin, will also be joining us here in just a moment. I'm so glad to have you here tonight, and I'm excited to help you learn more about 9th ELA at Alpharetta High School. First and foremost, I'd like to introduce myself. I was born in Macon, Georgia, and grew up in Winder, Georgia. I earned my Bachelor of Science in English Education from the University of Georgia. Then I earned my Master of Education degree from Kennesaw State University. I am also gifted certified, and I'm entering my 12th year teaching ELA. I recently transferred to Alpharetta High School from Creekview High School in Canton, Georgia. I believe in creating an empathetic, safe, and welcoming classroom where student voice is heard. I also believe in the importance of understanding the world from multiple perspectives. My management style typically revolves around the theme of respect, if you can tell. I have high expectations of both my students and myself, and I work to differentiate in the classroom alongside Mrs. Irvin to motivate and challenge students. I know that students will be most successful with the support of all of us working together. I feel very blessed to watch the students grow, and please do not hesitate to email me with concerns and also celebrations. I look forward to working with you all this year. This year, we're going to be learning about formatting our essays in MLA style, a style that you and the students will see frequently in ELA courses all the way through college. We'll learn the rules of writing academic essays. Students will also learn how to construct their body paragraphs in claim, evidence, analysis format. In an effort to answer a prompt, students will make a claim, support it with textual evidence, and work to explain how the evidence they found supports the claim. We'll also write in a variety of modes, including argumentative, persuasive, expository, and narrative writing. We just finished our first narrative. We'll take some of these essays through the entire writing process over the course of multiple class periods. For other essays, there might be a specific amount of time required to draft. Finally, we will participate in our annual Rotary-sponsored Laws of Life memoir competition, which will enable students to tell their own personal stories and give them an opportunity to earn scholarship prizes. In addition to writing, we will also read a wide variety of texts, from poetry to short stories and nonfiction articles and novels. Students will not be required to purchase books this year, as all texts will be made available online. We are so excited to begin reading Romeo and Juliet with students in the weeks to come and introducing them to the exciting world of Shakespeare. Students will also have multiple research opportunities, which will require them to validate their sources, embed source evidence, and incorporate proper in-text citations. Also create a works cited page. And I'm going to pass this off to Mrs. Irvin.
Good evening, parents. It's great to get to see you virtually. Thanks so much for watching our presentation. A little bit about me. I am certified in English education and special education. My husband and I have 2 grown children, one of whom is a teacher too. Teaching is a second career for me, but I've always been passionate about literacy. I love teaching at AHS, and I'm starting my 5th year. So grammar and vocabulary. Like reading and writing, grammar and vocabulary are key components of our course. Students will learn a variety of grammatical concepts aligned with our 9th grade scope and sequence. And students will hone their vocabulary skills with the Prestwick House Vocabulary Power Plus program. Our course website is a valuable communication tool. Each day we work to update our course calendar so that students can see our daily agenda. We have a course calendar for our own level course, and we encourage you to bookmark the course calendar so that you can keep up with our daily lesson plans and assignments. Ms. Torbert's website also includes other important pieces of information that you might find useful, such as contact information, schedule, educator bio, and course syllabus. And her website links to my website if you want to check out mine as well. thank you very much for coming tonight. We appreciate you taking the time to attend the 2020 Digital Curriculum Night and for being willing to partner with us in your child's education. We are so grateful to work in such a supportive community and to call Alpharetta High School home. Please don't hesitate to let us know if you have any additional questions. We are looking forward to a fantastic year of learning. Go Raiders!